You guys, let's make brute trouble now. Let's make fried rice. We are going to be using chicken wings for the fried rice. What's your problem? Let's season it. I'm gonna
also be real low.
Now I'm gonna add salt.
Guys, also be real.
Now add your seasoning cubes, curry powder, and garlic powder. Add one seasoning scotch bonnet pepper for heat. I'm gonna stir it and allow it to steam cook for 3 to 5 minutes before frying. I'm going to add a tiny bit of water so that it doesn't burn at the bottom. And allow it to cook just a bit. It's not going to cook through. We'll come back to it shortly. Now let's check on the chicken wings. Okay. As you can see, there is no water in there. This is exactly how I want it. I'm going to transfer it here and fry. Like so. At this point, you can grill it, pop it in the oven. Me, I'm going for frying today. Do what is best for you. So here is my oil. I'll add onions for flavor and scotch bonnet pepper for heat. Now I'm gonna fry it. Now I'm gonna cook it. This one has fried to my satisfaction. Done. Now let's make fried rice. To make the fried rice, I'll add oil in a pot and some butter. Now I'm gonna add my onions and garlic. Some curry powder, stir and allow it to fry until translucent. Now add your seasoning cubes and pepper, my chopped pepper. Stir. I'm gonna add my boiled rice. Toast it for some minutes. I'm gonna add my stock. Stir. Taste for salt, cover and allow to cook. Now let's fry the vegetables for the fried rice. Add some oil and butter. Allow to melt. Now add all your veggies. Now add seasoning cube. Stir. And allow to fry a little bit. Now add your sweet corn. Now I'm going to add my shrimps. Stir, 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 and it's ready. Now let's check on our rice. The rice is ready. Look at that. How fluffy it is. I'm going to transfer the veggies in there and mix. Now stir. Now add spring onions. What is fried rice without spring onions? Now our fried rice is ready. I'm mixing on a high heat, you guys, so that the veggies will retain the crunchiness. Now it's ready. Dish out time, you guys. Let's serve my one and only odogu. This rice is popping. It's popping. It's popping. Here is our chicken. You guys, food is ready. I'm going to serve.